Let's take a look at a loan default analysis where we want to learn more about historical loans that we have given out and how we can make predictions about future loans as well. We especially want to take a closer look at the riskier loans based on certain factors like average loan amount, average interest rate, and average debt to income ratio, and a few more variables that we'll look at on the next few pages. On the first page, we can select a few of the variables to see how states compare to each other, either for all loans or just a subset of them that we can control using the filters. For example, we can filter out fully paid loans and just take a look at the defaulted loans. We can also change the color variable of the map using the dropdown. For example, we can change to average loan amount and see which states have higher average loan amounts with higher amounts indicated in red. If we want to drill down, we can select one or more of the states to take a closer look. For example, I'll select California. And on the KPI chart to the right, we can see details pertaining to our selected subset, and we can see key variables such as average loan amount, average interest rate over time in our selected states. Now, on the next page, we can drill down further into the purpose of the loans and try to get a better understanding of applicants and loan types. Here again, we can select a state to drill down further into and take a closer look at the amount of loans given out for a specific purpose, as well as key metrics for the loans by purpose. For example, we can see that in California, the highest number of loans given out have been for debt consolidation, while small business loans have the highest average interest rate and highest average loan amount. However, we can see that applicants for debt consolidation loans tend to have a higher debt to income ratio than other applicants. Next, we can take an even closer look at the loans based on variables that we dynamically select here on the left side. For example, I can choose employment length as our x-axis variable while selecting either loan amount or interest rate or debt to income ratio as our y-axis variable. Once we configure the box plot, we can select a subset to drill down further into on the scatter plot. For example, I'll select the applicants that have been employed for less than 1 year. Lastly, we can see the variables that most clearly contribute to loans defaulting after running the historical data through a machine learning workflow in TIBCO Data Science. TIBCO Data Science is a no-code drag and drop machine learning workbench tool that can allow you to create and deploy models quickly and efficiently. It also has a direct integration with Spotfire, which allows users to run workflows from TIBCO Data Science seamlessly within Spotfire. In this case, we ran the data through 3 models: random forest, boosted trees, and advanced classification trees. We were able to conclude that the boosted trees model performed with the greatest degree of accuracy. Now we can not only get the predictor importance, but when we get new data from new loan applicants, we can predict with confidence whether the loans will be likely to default or not based on our model. You can try both Spotfire and TIBCO Data Science with a 30-day trial and even have access to the same template I used here.